we've got some new little ones at the farm. We've got 5 new little baby ducks, and they're a Khaki Campbell Mallard mix. Chad's excited for duck eggs. Hopefully there's lots of girls. They're a little skittish now. They're gonna live with the outside quail in their new little hutch and yard. Hopefully they like it. We also brought home some baby quail. Alright. And we got 3 little baby quail. Just hatched out a few days ago. A friend of ours, Jennifer, hatched them for us. Oh, there they go. Cute little guys. They're gonna start running around sometime real soon. And then we've got more in the hatcher. So we might have a whole lot of baby quail coming up soon. All right. Finish up with some cute little baby quail. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep.